It was a bright and sunny afternoon when Leo and his best friend Emma decided to explore the forest behind their small town. They had played in the forest many times before, but today they wanted to go farther than usual. Both of them were full of excitement and curiosity as they packed their backpacks with snacks, water, and a flashlight, just in case. "I wonder what we'll find today," said Leo as they entered the forest. The trees were tall and the air was fresh, filled with the sounds of birds singing. "I hope we find something really cool," Emma replied. She loved going on adventures with Leo. They both had wild imaginations and loved discovering new places. After walking for about an hour, they came across a small stream that they had never seen before. The water was clear and sparkling in the sunlight. The kids were about to continue their journey when something caught Leo's eye. "Emma, look." Leo pointed to the side of the stream where there was a path they had never noticed before. The path was narrow and covered in bushes, but it looked like it led somewhere deep into the forest. "Should we follow it?" Emma asked, a little unsure. "Of course. Who knows what's at the end of it?" Leo replied with excitement. They followed the narrow path, pushing past the bushes and branches. The deeper they went, the quieter it became. The only sounds were the crunching of leaves under their feet and the occasional rustle of the wind in the trees. After a while, they came to a clearing. In the middle of the clearing was a large, dark cave. It looked old and mysterious, and there was something about it that made the kids stop and stare. "Whoa," Emma whispered. "Do you think anyone knows about this cave?" "I don't think so," Leo replied, stepping closer to the entrance. The cave's entrance was wide, but inside it was pitch black. "We should go in," Leo said, his voice filled with excitement. Emma hesitated for a moment. "Are you sure? It looks kind of scary." "That's why we have the flashlight," Leo said with a grin. He pulled out the flashlight from his backpack and turned it on, shining it into the cave. The light barely reached inside, but Leo was determined. "Come on, Emma. This is our big adventure." Reluctantly, Emma followed him into the cave. The inside was cool and damp, and their footsteps echoed off the walls as they moved deeper into the darkness. The flashlight's beam danced across the rocky floor and walls, revealing strange markings and drawings that seemed ancient. "What are those?" Emma asked, pointing at the drawings on the walls. "I don't know," Leo said, shining the light on them. "They look really old. Maybe this cave was important a long time ago." As they continued walking, the cave opened up into a large chamber. In the middle of the chamber, they saw something that took their breath away. There, glowing faintly in the dim light, was a small chest, half buried in the ground. "Is that a treasure chest?" Emma asked, her eyes wide with disbelief. "I think it is," Leo said, rushing over to it. They both knelt down and began to clear the dirt away from the chest. It was small and made of wood, with metal bands holding it together. The chest had a rusty old lock, but it looked fragile. Leo gave the lock a tug, and with a bit of effort, it broke open. Slowly, they lifted the lid of the chest, their hearts racing with excitement. Inside, they found something incredible. It's a map," Emma exclaimed. She carefully pulled out the old, rolled-up parchment from the chest. It was yellowed with age, but the markings were clear. "It looks like a treasure map," Leo said, his eyes wide with excitement. "But where does it lead?" Emma spread the map out on the floor of the cave. "Look, the map starts right here, at this cave, and it shows a trail leading to some kind of X in the forest," Leo said, tracing the line on the map with his finger. "We have to follow it." Without wasting any time, the two friends rolled up the map and hurried out of the cave. They followed the path on the map through the forest, their hearts pounding with excitement. The trail led them up a hill, past a large tree, and finally to a spot where the X was marked. When they reached the spot, they looked around. At first, it seemed like there was nothing there, but then Emma noticed something unusual. "Look, Leo," she said, pointing to the ground. "There's a small stone here with strange markings on it." They both knelt down and began to dig around the stone. After a few minutes, they uncovered a small metal box buried in the ground. It was covered in dirt, but the markings on it were just like the ones in the cave. "This must be the treasure," Leo said, grinning from ear to ear. They carefully opened the box, and inside, they found a collection of old coins, sparkling jewels, and a letter written in old-fashioned handwriting. What does it say? Emma asked as Leo unfolded the letter. It says that this treasure belonged to a group of explorers who lived long ago. They buried it here to keep it safe, hoping that one day, someone brave enough would find it. Leo and Emma looked at each other, grinning with pride. They had done it. They had found a real treasure. It was the greatest adventure they had ever had, and they knew they would never forget it. As they made their way back home, the sun was beginning to set, casting a golden glow over the forest. They knew that they would have many more adventures in the future, but this one would always be special. The mysterious cave had led them to a treasure they never could have imagined, and it all began with their shared curiosity and courage.